Hey guys, today we're going to talk about why you need aftermarket speaker adapters. The reason why you want to use speaker adapters, you see here is our factory speaker. It is designed to be put into this hole. And you can see it's a very odd shape. Even with our new speaker, it does fit, but it doesn't fit flush in there. So if we utilize an aftermarket speaker adapter, we can place this into the hooks. It's designed for the shape of it, and it also helps get the speaker closer to the door skin. The reason why you want to get closer to the door skin is you don't want to leave a lot of bass in the door panel. When you put that door panel on and an aftermarket speaker without this, and it sits really far back, you're actually losing a lot of mid-range bass inside the door. So by spacing it out, we're going to send more of that sound into the cab. As you can see here, with our window rolled all the way down, we don't have a lot of room. The window comes very close to the factory speaker, which is okay. They engineered it that way. The magnet's very small. On our new speaker, the magnet's very large and is much deeper, so we need to bring the speaker out. Now keep in mind, using a speaker adapter that's pre-made isn't the only way to go. You can make it out of different materials, like a composite material like ABS. Back in the day, we also used to use MDF. We don't use MDF in the doors anymore, mainly because the doors, there's a lot of moisture. MDF pulls moisture, it swells up, breaks apart, you have to redo the job. MDF, though, however, is widely used in the industry inside vehicles where it's dry. No problem. It's a very good material. It's very dense, sounds good, easy to work with. But if you are someone that you don't have a router, you don't have the tools to make your own to make it this precise, you might as well just get the aftermarket stuff that's already pre-built and just bolt it in. Adapters in, we have our speaker baffle in. I cut the bottom out so that way we use the doors enclosure, and you can see inside we have sound deadening everywhere, and this will help us get as much sound quality out of this setup as possible from a basic aspect. As you can see, we also added fast rings here to give it the full door treatment, and this is going to help project all that sound from the speaker into the cab.